Chest signs and symptoms. Chronic cough. Chronic cough. A chronic cough is generally due to the either chronic retention of phlegm in the lungs, phlegm which may be accompanied by dampness, heat or dryness, or Qi and or yin deficiency of the lungs. A very common type of chronic cough is due to damp phlegm in the lungs, which is characterized by the expectoration of profuse white sputum, which is easy to expectorate, a feeling of oppression of the chest, a swollen tongue with a sticky coating, and a very slippery pulse. When phlegm combines with heat in the lungs, the cough has a louder sound and is characterized by expectoration of yellow sputum, a feeling of oppression of the chest, a feeling of heat, and a red and swollen tongue and a slippery rapid pulse. A common type of chronic cough is in the elderly is that due to dry phlegm in the lungs, which is characterized by a chronic dry cough with a weak sound and the occasional difficult expectoration of scanty sputum. A chronic cough due to deficiency of lungs, Qi or yin, is characterized by a slight cough with a weak sound, accompanied by a sign of Qi or yin deficiency. Damp phlegm in the lungs. Chronic cough with easy expectoration of profuse white sputum, rattling sound in the throat, white pasty complexion, a feeling of oppression in the chest, shortness of breath, dislike of lying down, wheezing, nausea, swollen tongue with a sticky white coating, and slippery pulse. So acupuncture, lung 5, lung 7, lung 1, lung 12, lung 9, and stomach 40. Phlegm dryness in the lungs. Chronic dry cough with a weak sound and occasional difficult expectoration of scanty sputum. Shortness of breath, a feeling of oppression of the chest, dry throat, wheezing, pasty dry complexion, swollen tongue with a dry, sticky coating, fine and slippery pus. So acupuncture, lung 5, lung 7, lung 1, lung 12, lung 9, stomach 40, stomach 36, spleen 6, and kidney 3. Lung yin deficiency. Chronic cough that is dry or with difficult expectoration of scanty sputum, weak in all hoarse voice, dry mouth and throat, tickly throat, tiredness, dislike of speaking, thin body or thin chest. So there is night sweating, normal colored tongue without coating or with rootless coating. In the front part, floating, empty pulse. Acupuncture, lung 9, lung 7, lung 12, stomach 36, and spleen 6. Lung yin deficiency with empty heat. Chronic cough that is dry or with difficult expectoration of scanty sputum. That may be blood tinged, dry mouth, and throat at night. Sticky throat, tiredness, dislike of speaking, thin body or thin chest, night sweating, malar flash, a feeling of heat, or a low-grade fever in the evening. By palm heat, thin body, red tongue without coating, and floating, empty, and rapid pulse. So acupuncture, lung 9, lung 7, lung 12, stomach 36, spleen 6, and lung 10. Lung dryness. Chronic dry cough, dry skin, dry throat, dry mouth, thirst, hoarse voice, dry tongue, floating, empty pulse. Lung Qi deficiency. Chronic slight cough with a weak sound, slight shortness of breath, weak voice, spontaneous daytime sweating, dislike of speaking, white complexion, propensity of catching cold, tiredness, dislike of cold, pale tongue, empty pulse. Cold phlegm in the lungs. Chronic cough with expectoration of white watery sputum, aggravated by exposure to cold, feeling of cold hands, phlegm in the throat, dizziness, a feeling of oppression of the chest, a feeling of cold of the chest, swollen and wet tongue with a sticky white tongue coating, slippery slow pulse. Liver fire insulting the lungs. So chronic, barking, cough with a yellow or blood-tinged sputum. Breathlessness, asthma, a feeling of fullness and distension of the chest, and hypochondria. There's headache, dizziness, red face, thirst, bitter taste, bloodshot eyes, scanty dark urine, constipation, red tongue with reader's sight, and dry yellow coating. Wiry pulse. Phlegm fluids in the lungs. Chronic cough with expectoration of white, watery, fruity sputum. Breathlessness, splashing sound in the chest, vomiting of white, watery, fruity sputum, feeling cold, cough that may be elicited by a scare, pale tongue with thick, sticky white coating, fine, slippery, or weak floating pulse. So treatment, Capram Dumplam, acupuncture, lung 5, lung 1, bladder 13, and stomach 14. Capram phlegm, heat, so acupuncture, lung 5, lung 1, lung 11, bladder 13, and stomach 14. Cough from dry phlegm, acupuncture, lung 1, lung 7, stomach 40, spleen 6, and kidney 6. Summary, chronic cough, dump phlegm in the lungs, chronic cough with easy expectoration of profuse white sputum, swollen tongue with a sticky coating. Phlegm heat in the lungs, chronic cough with expectoration of profuse yellow or green sputum, feeling of heat, red and swollen tongue with a sticky yellow coating, slippery rapid pulse. Dry phlegm in the lungs, chronic dry cough with occasional difficult expectoration of scanty sputum, dry throat, swollen tongue with a dry coating, lung Qi deficiency, chronic slight coughing with weak sound, weak voice, empty pulse, lung Yin deficiency, chronic dry cough, dry throat in the evening, night sweating, tongue without coating. Thank you for your listening.